Hello! If you have watched this video, you should be able to answer the following questions. Let's get started. What is this?
Apple.
What is this?
Pear.
What is this?
Watermelon.
What is this?
Banana.
What is this?
Green apple.
What is this?
Pomegranate.
What is this?
Grapes.
What is this?
Peach.
What is this?
Starfruit.
What is this?
Persimmon.
What is this?
Orange.
What is this?
Lemon.
What is this?
Mango.
What is this?
Honeydew.
What is this?
Pineapple.
What is this?
Cantaloupe.
What is this?
Dragon fruit.
What is this?
Guava.
What is this?
Strawberry.